What is good, YouTube? So we have another unboxing today. It's a vintage mystery boxing unboxing, whatever. Paid $300 for this one. And just, if you guys are new here, so what I do, I mean right now we're in a pandemic, so I buy wholesale from, you know, people who won't feel like selling wholesale to me since I can't go out to thrift stores. We're still in lockdown here in Connecticut. So I buy inventory, and I mean it makes for good content, so I just unbox it and show you guys what each what I get in each box, etc. And yeah, I mean that's really it, and we're just gonna dive right in. I'm gonna put it over here. I'm gonna go right into it. Hope you guys enjoy first. So sports, we have an Adidas like hockey jersey. This hockey jersey, excuse me. Adidas. This is a goaltending jersey. Front, back. These are actually worth some pretty decent money, so off rip. That's a great little piece to have. It's at least like a 30 bomb. Right, we got a CCM Sharks, kind of like thinner piece here, and it's new at tags too. I don't know if this is a newer one. Made in Korea, so probably. This is on a, oh yeah, tag. It looks like it's like, I want to say, okay, yeah, Georgetown. It's crazy. This V-neck is nuts. Made in USA. Number 2, Braves. Oh, it's got the hits on the sleeve here. Nice, clean little 2-piece button up right there. I like it. And the final piece in here looks kind of dope. It's on a Dynasty tag, and it is the Flyers. This is an NHL team. It's nice. It is, I think, 98 around there. It's like an older piece. Like it has like flames and everything on it. You got Steelers, 98, I think it is. Oh, 86. Oh, bet. It's Ward. Hines Ward. This is dope. I mean, obviously, dope. I wish this was my size. It's a little big. And we got on a Zeke tag. It is Gridiron Greatness. And this is a Gillen Heavyweight Cotton. This is a American Classic. Oh, it's an Elvis piece. Okay. He looks so young in that. Nice little piece right there. I'll keep going. On to the next box. Oh my god. What in the world? This is on a stand tee. You got a Stone Cold Steve Austin sweater. This is absolutely insane. I'm gonna just throw this on body. This is crazy. Have a no tag. Is Adios Amigos, Amen, Miller Time, 1997. Is Dick. Okay, that's pretty interesting. It's a pretty interesting shirt. Oh, the double wrap. Oh man, I'm seeing some black and yellow. Alright, we got a Magic Johnson tag. We got, bruh, not gonna lie, I literally was looking at something like this. I was looking at the Magic Johnson tees, and I'm like, I really need a Steelers one, but somebody was taxing hard on eBay for like, I think it was this exact one for $100. And now it's in my possession, and this is never leaving. I bet I like this. It's on an 80s or 90s Mickey tag. It's Minnie Mouse. Look at her. She looks so cool. This is dope. Front and back. Nice little essential. I like this one. So this is Instagram. I'm just gonna, you guys already saw it. I already plugged him at the beginning, but that's his Instagram again. This is got a bunch of stuff in it. So we're gonna hit this one up. This is on a Looney Tunes tag. This is a Taz. You can't really see it too much, but It's a nice little Taz piece, single stitch, nope, double stitch on a Gildan tag. It is Journey 2003. Nice little fade on that one. On a Hanes. It's got the 96 little chest bump, and then we got the flags on the back. It's a nice little like essential. I like this. On a Hanes Beefy. And we got, it looks like he has Mickey Mouse ears on, which he does. Most of life's problems can be fixed with a chainsaw. Billy D. Cat. I think this is one of those like newsstand type. Got a, can't tell you the tag because it's faded AF. But it looks like a Hendrix tee. Ooh, for like a baby. Hendrix, looks like it's, it looks like it's in Spanish, so this is probably like a Mexican bootleg. Chase. So, was it Jeff Gordon? Got some nice colors on this one. Between Jeff Gordon and Dale Earnhardt, like those two are my favorite like NASCAR t-shirts, and just this is a AAA tag, and it is Neil Diamond 1999. Just made it into being vintage, which is cool. It's extremely clean tee, no tag, and this is 1998. Let the Wild Rummage Begin. It's definitely a playoff of that movie. I like this. I love the beer. We got up is on a All-American Wear, and it is a Bruins tee. Essential. Looks like it's like a 98 or something. 97. Right, we got a Austin Powers. Okay. Austin Powers tag. It is, it says yeah baby on it. 2002. Okay. So, yo, this is crazy. Alright, so this is a liquid blue. This is, yo, this is sick. I thought it was something else actually, but it's like a tiger. And that back is crazy. Oh man, I just bought a Wolf tee just like this 2 days ago, and I'm super pumped. This one is super sick. These liquid blue like animal tees are so sick. Y'all like the like, a lot of people like the Grateful Dead ones, but man, forget those. These are sick. These and the fantasy ones are sick. I really want the dragon. The dragon one that everyone like knows. That one's super ill. Looks like a nice little NASCAR tee, and it is on a Chase tag. It is, damn, this one's nuts. A World of Energy. I actually have not seen this one yet. Power Source. Ah, this is crazy. This is a crazy tee. I'm not gonna lie. 28. I'm not 100%. Oh, Robert Yates. Okay. And we have the Dead. Oh, there we go. Grateful Dead tee. This one is a newer one, made in USA, 2004. All you Grateful Dead fans out there, this actually is a pretty dope tee. I like some of them, but okay. All Sport. We got the Doors. I feel like some of you guys just like watch my videos and just know what I like, because Doors, I just got a Doors tee in my last one, and I was super pumped, and this one is my size too. Oh, man. It is great. This box is hella dope. Like, look at all these parcels we have here. Alright guys, so we're finally done opening this box, and honestly, this box was insane between the Steelers all over print and the Stone Cold shirt. Like, I mean, I just, what more can I say, really? If you like this kind of content, just drop a like, leave a comment of what your favorite shirt was, and subscribe. I have more videos like this to come. I actually have 2 more boxes coming in of just straight grails, so should be a good time, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.